Hi guys! Welcome back again here in my YouTube channel. So here I am, your Tita Lakwachera Karen. So today we will do an unboxing, katulad po ng promise ko, dun sa aking Facebook, what do you call this? Facebook page na sa group, yung mga kasama po doon. So we will do the unboxing ng aking dumating na mga haul sa Lazada. Okay? So, ito muna yung papakita ko ngayon. And then, later on, yung isa. So, let's do the unboxing. So, what I bought in Lazada is the, what do you call this one? The Dirma vacuum Philippines. So, nalaman ko tong vacuum na to when I woke up last time. And then, I saw it to one of my, what do you call this? Elementary schoolmate, na si Peachy. And then I asked her where she bought it. So, I went there directly sa page nila sa Lazada. So, this is what I bought for, how much did I bought this one? Actually, I bought it to the Derma Philippines in Lazada. You can see that on their page. So, I bought this one for, how much did I pay for this? I think I bought it for 1,900 something. 1,900 something. That's the price of what do you call this? The vacuum. I'm not entirely sure how much is it. Yung pinaka price niya, but it's around that what do you call this? That range, no? So let's put it. Okay, so as you can see, nandito tayo sa aking room. Nagde-decorate pa ako pa siya. So, ito na siya, guys. Medyo malaki siya. So, we will try to do the unboxing of this one. Kasi, may mga friends ako na nag-message sa akin while I'm posting this on my day sa YouTube, sa Facebook na i-review ko daw. So, we have here the this is the instruction card kung paano siya gamitin. So, we have here the instruction card. There. Derma vacuum cleaner. Then, we have also the warranty card. I don't know if you can see that. Warranty card. And, we have this. The kanyang panlinis. What else do we have? We have here the saksakan. Let's pull it up. So, ito pala yung mga ano niya. We have the brush and we have the pansipsip. Just in case. Kung kunyari kailangan nyo ng gilid-gilid. I think, guys, this is actually separate thing, no? Just in case na you want to use it pag kunyari sa mga sofa, sa mga kama-kama nyo, kung may mga crumbs, I guess you can put this one together using this. You put it. And then you use it habang naglilinis mo. And then you can also use the one you attach para gamitin naman sa floor. So let's try. Hold on. Let's try it. Okay, kung nagana siya. Give it a second. Oh, here's this one. Oh, there's this. So, ito siya. So, meron siyang dalawa. Okay, so what I'm going to do is i-charge natin. Let's say yung on. So we have this, the button here. Oh, amazing. Tingnan natin kung amazing. Malakas ang power niya, my friends. So, kung gusto niyo naman gamitin siya sa floor, you can attach this one. Okay? You can attach this. Para gamitin naman sa floor. So, you have to remove this one And then, use this one. Okay, you do it on the other side. Okay, and then, meron siya sa dulo. Ano yung gagamitin nyo? So, I believe, gagamitin nyo is this one. So, I'm not sure. Let's attach this. Let's try to use this. So, ganito siya kahaba. Yan, yun siya kahaba. So, let's try it sa floor naman. What we do, hold on. I give you guys a glimpse of this one. So, ito siya. Ganyan. So, let's try to use it sa floor. So, ang downside lang niya is hindi siya well, pag gagamitin mo siya, kailangan nakasaksak siya. So, hindi siya wireless na. Yung charge mo lang. Something like that. So, you don't do like that. So, hey! Shh! Other than that, what I bought in Lazada too. Well, I bought this one. Hold on. I have the 5 layers na lalagyan ng mga bawang sibuyas. I'm so sorry for the noise dahil yung aso ko. Okay, so I bought this one. So I have the 5 layers na lalagyan ng, I have the gamot, and then I have also the banana, and then we have the mango. And then sa lower, so you can see, we have the sibuyas, and then yung bawang sa pinakailalim. Why I bought this one? Kasi, the reason why I bought this one is para mabilis, yung pag kunyari nagluluto ako, tapos pupunta ako sa isang place, yung madali siyang hihatakin kung saan, alam mo yun. Tapos, ang maganda pa nito is, meron siyang lock, sa ilalim, as you can see, may lock siya. So, parang hindi siya mag-stop-stop. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang kalagkarin kahit saan. Yan, yun yung, ano natin. Yun ang ating, nabili sa Lazada. So, by the way, I bought this 5 layers na rock for 1,700. Okay. So, actually, may mga paparating pa ako eh. Meron pa ako ng spice rock, yung naiikot para sa mga peppers, sa salt, mga ganyan. Tapos sa mga ibang herbs and spices. And then other than that, lalagayan din ng mga bote ng mga olive oil, ganyan. Kasi nag-start na ako declutter lahat ng mga bagay na pampasik ko sa bahay para maayos lahat ng mga kailangan kong process. So, guys, yun po ang mga nabili natin ngayon. And I hope you like this vlog. And then I will be inserting as well yung aming pinuntahan sa Laguna Loop and at the same time sa Tanay Rizal. So, I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye-bye!